Good day to you children. Today we are going to read and understand lesson 9, Far and Near. Now first we are going to start with the warm up. Help member of Raul's family reach back home by helping them find their way. Now this is a Raul's house, okay? So we are going to help them to reach home. So we are going to start with this. Then next one. Like this will go. And then this one, this girl. Okay. So now what we are going to learn in this lesson, means of communication and means of transport. We need to move from place to place. This is called travel. So when you travel, like when you go or when you move from one place to another place, this is called travel, right? From Mumbai you go to your hometown, right? So we walk to places which are nearby. Now children, so we walk to the places which are nearby, like जो चीज़ नज़दीक है हमारे, so हम कैसे जाते हैं? Walking से, okay? Now do we travel? Do we travel to we places in any other way? And from any other way we can travel? So we'll see. First we are going to see keeping in touch. We all like to keep in touch with our near and dear ones, right? So we all like to keep in touch with our near and dear ones. We see our friends and family members every day. Every day we see our family members, right? But how do we keep in touch with people who live far away from us? जो लोग हमसे दूर रहते हैं, हम उनसे कैसे टच में रह सकते हैं? We can talk or write to them. This is called communication, right? आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं या आप उन्हें लेटर लिख सकते हैं, and we call it communication. Earlier messages were sent through messengers and pigeons. So, you know, earlier people used to send messages through pigeons and through a messenger. Later, the postal system has started, and then postal system has started. People send letters, postcards, telegrams to each other through the post office. Then what started? This post office. This is a post box. So people can post letter, postcard, telegram. These days there are many more means to communicate with people whom we cannot visit. So now there are many things. Now the technologies has developed. Okay, so there are many things through which we can communicate. First one is telephone, right? आप फ़ोन से बात कर सकते हो. Then television is there. Then mobile phone, with the help of mobile phone you can talk, you can do a video call, you can chat. Then through the video call or through the computer, right? Through computer you can do a video call. Then through radio, through post box. Now come to the next page. Now means of transport. The thing we use to go from one place to another are called means of transport. So children, the things we use to go from one place to another are called means of transport, right? जो चीज़ें हम एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, we call it means of transport. Now little scientist, cars that run on electricity have been developed. Now you know cars are there which runs on electricity. Such vehicle will help to reduce air pollution. Now such cars are also there. They don't need petrol or diesel. Okay, so they need electricity. In this way we can reduce the air pollution. In small towns and villages, people sometimes travel and carrying things on carts. Now what is this? This is a cart. So in small towns and villages, okay, छोटे छोटे शहरों में छोटे छोटे गाँव में people sometimes travel and carry things on cart. Sometimes they travel to cart or sometimes they carry things in their cart. Now, did you know a train takes about 12 hours to travel from Mumbai to Goa? So, like when you are going to Goa from Mumbai, if you are going by train, it will take 12 hours. An aeroplane takes about 45 minutes to travel the same distance, but if you are going by aeroplane, it will take only 45 minutes. Aeroplanes, helicopters and gliders are used to travel by air. This helicopter, aeroplane, these things travels in air. Transport is the fastest means of transport. Air transport is the fastest means of transport. Ships, steamers, boat, yacht are used to travel on water. Okay. So, see, water transport, air transport and land transport. So, this cart, okay, auto rickshaw, bike, bicycle, car, bus, these are the road transport. Aeroplane, rocket, these are the air transport because ये air में travel करते हैं. Then ship, steamers, boats, yacht are used to travel on water. So, these are the water transport. Did you know rockets are used to travel to space? So, when we have to go to space, so we use rocket. Space travels begin some 50 years ago. When space travel has begun? It has begun some 50 years ago. Now, trains, cars, buses, auto rickshaws, motorcycles and bicycles are used to travel on land. Okay. So, train, cars, buses, auto rickshaw, this vehicles travels on land. These are the land transport. Means of transport are used to move things and people from one place to another. So, we use transport to move things and people from one place to another. Now, come to the next page. Now, we are going to see the wrap up. Far and near, means of communication, letter, television, mobile phone, computer, radio, and means of transport, land transport, car and bus, air transport, aeroplane and helicopter, water transport, boat and ship. Now we are going to start with evaluate. Things you know. A. Choose the correct option. Dash and dash are means of water. So, steamer and ship. Then second, dash transport is the fastest means of transport. So, air transport is the fastest means of transport. Third, we can communicate with a relative living far away from us through the telephone or the computer, or C both and B. So, both A and B. B. Arrange the following in their order of speed. Start with the slowest. So, the first one is boat. Second one is train. Third one is aeroplane. C. Rearrange the letters to find out the names of some vehicles, then write the names below the pictures. First one is bike. B I K E, bike. Next one is car. C A R, car. Next one is bus. B U S, bus. Fourth one is bicycle. B I C Y C L E, bicycle. Now answer in one or two words. Give two examples of air transport. So, aeroplane, helicopter. Next one. Which is faster, a telephone call or a letter? So, telephone call. Now answer in one sentence. I am going to give in your notebook. Now draw a square around the vehicle that travels on land. Draw a circle around the vehicles that travels in air, and draw a triangle around the vehicle that travels on water. So first we are going to see which vehicles travels on land. So we are going to draw a square. We are going to take the help of scale. Then tractor. So it's a cart. Okay. Then this vehicle. Then now we are going to see the vehicles that travels in air. First and second. Okay. So helicopter. The next one, ship. Ship is a water transport. Train. Train is a land transport. Okay children, so done. So now we have finished our lesson. I hope you have understood the lesson as well as the matter. Thank you children.